Welcome back to Buy or Die. You already know my attitude towards Virgin Galactic. It's a great long-term investment, but in the nearest time, due to market crash for example, it can go lower without any doubts because investors and funds like getting rid of trash stocks during these times. But today I opened TradingView to read some SPCE forecasts and I found out that people are quite positive about Virgin Galactic stock price. Moreover, some of them even predict $50 by the next test flight in September. Looks beautiful in the monthly on the 20 MA support. Another one. Virgin Galactic buying opportunity. Virgin Galactic has had a few bearish weeks, but now looks about to enter a pretty good buying opportunity area. The 25 to 14 range seems like a great spot for accumulation, and the last swing low at 14.53 was bought back with quite some strength. The private space race doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon, and any major victory by Branson could mean some quick pumps. Okay, quite promising. Time to buy SPCE ready to go up. It's time for this stock to go up. If everything goes well, I expect a short-term up, at least if Sir Richard Branson doesn't use his ATM. It could go down after a max between $18 and $20. Flight will not start before 2022, but sales started at a higher price and a test flight paid is expected in late September. Virgin Galactic reopened ticket sales with prices beginning at $450,000 per seat. Before it was $200,000 per seat. The space company now targets late September 2021 for the mission called Unity 23, company's 5th crewed test flight to the edge of space. Alright, yeah, it was like a number of facts that we already know. Jump into the rocket or stay on the ground. This is a long-term opportunity for the only and the cheapest near space travel. Buy the rumor and sell the news. Well, I totally agree that now SPCE stock is a pure long-term investment. If you want to get your money back by December, you better stay away from Virgin Galactic. Alright, these forecasts were quite promising, but what do you think about SPCE perspectives? Will it go back to $50 in September? I doubt about this, but what do you think? Write in comments. Also, I'll be glad if you subscribe because it's much better to make money together. So guys, I see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.